Vande Mataram, friends. Later we discuss about, before we discuss about the non-WH sentence in interrogative sentences, indirect, we already discussed about the non-WH sentence. Now we learn about the WH sentence. How do you make WH sentence using direct, indirect? So friends, here B part 2, WH sentence. The structure is there. First of all of we know very well that the first comes speaker. As a conjunction we can use ask, then listener. As a conjunction here we can use WH. In non-WH sentence we use here if or whether, but suppose WH given here, then we have to use the same thing. After that, subject, verb and object. Before we start the topic, let's discuss about the rules. WH means what? WH. So what, when, why, which, how many, how much, etc. Remove do or does and write V2 form. When we see do or does in interrogative sentence, at that time we have to remove do, does, and we can write V2. The same thing, remove did and write had plus V3. Use conjunction WH and subject plus verb plus object. WH, subject plus verb plus object, that is SVO. That means we have to make affirmative sentence. Make affirmative sentence. See the example. First of all, I read here. Divya said to Dev, "What do you want?" Divya said to Dev, "What did you say?" Kapil said to me, "Why are you laughing?" Komal said to me, "How are you?" So dear friends, you can see that two sentences are about do or did and another are about the to be form, am is are, was were, shall will, whatever we have. So first of all, when we make the first sentence, first of all here use WH. So this is interrogative sentence. So we can write Divya said to Dev. So we can write that Divya asked Dev. Okay. Here complete. Divya said to Dev. Divya asked Dev. What is the conjunction? What. So we can write here what. Divya asked Dev what. We remove do. And what is the subject here? You. You means listener. Listener. Who is listener? Dev. Dev means he. Now, do or does use in simple present tense. So we have to make V2 form of want. So what is the past form of want? Wanted. So what he wanted, and then full point, that is WH, subject and then verb. Okay. Now Divya said to Dev, "What did you say?" Here did is used. When the did use, we remove did and write it down had plus V3, past perfect tense. So Divya asked Dev what. Divya asked Dev what. We removed it. What is subject? You means Dev, he. And what is V3 of say? Had said. Divya asked Dev what he had said. Another thing, Kapil said to me. So first of all, Kapil asked me. Kapil asked me. As a conjunction, why is given here. So first of all, we write why are you. So first of all, you comes instead of are, and are comes on you. So are you. You are. So you is subject. So you, who is you? Me. That means as a subject we write I. What I am is are, was were. Why I was laughing. Why I was laughing. Okay. Now Komal said to me, how are you? So Komal asked me, conjunction how are you. So first of all we write subject you, you means I am is are, was were. So Komal asked me how I was. Okay, do you understand? Now let's see the exercise. The first sentence you can see that Sanjay said to Sonia, how do you pay? Monica said to Vivek, which book did you like? Karan said to me, why have you forgot my birthday? The manager said to me, what do you want? The clerk said to the manager, how will you give my money? Santosh said to me, how can you write a letter? So first of all, let's make the first sentence. Sanjay said to Sonia means Sanjay asked Sonia is a conjunction how. Sanjay asked Sonia how. We remove do. You is Sonia. So C. What is V2 for pay? Paid. How she paid. Sanjay asked Sonia how she paid. Okay. Now, next sentence. Monica said to Vivek. So, the answer is Monica asked Vivek which book. We removed it. Subject is you. You means Vivek. Vivek means he. Which book he, V3 form, had liked. Okay. Why we write here had liked? Because did use. Now next. Karan said to me, why have you forgot my birthday? So, Karan asked me, why have you? That means we write here you have. So, you is me. Me means I have had. Why I had forgot. I, me, my. So my is used for speaker. Karan, he, him, his. So why I had forgot his birthday. Full point. Okay. Next. The manager said to me, what do you want? So what is the answer? The manager asked me what. We remove do. You means I want. wanted. The manager asked me what I wanted. Next, the clerk said to the manager, how will you give my money? So, the clerk asked the manager, how will you? Then you can write you will. You means manager. Manager means he would. He would. How he would give I, me, my clerk, him, his money. Okay. The manager asked, the clerk asked the manager how he would give his money. Santosh said to me, how can you write a letter? So, Santosh asked me, how can you? So, you can. You means me, me means I. What about can? We can write here could. How I could write a letter. Understood? Now, you can write in your notebook. Okay? Now, learn more example. Number 7. Mahesh said to Manan, where do you live? Okay. Now, how can you make the sentence? First of all, who is speaker? Mahesh. Then, Mahesh asked Manan. Clear? Now, what is the conjunction? Where. So, where we remove do. What is subject? You. You means Manan. Manan means he. And live we use V2 form. Lived. So, Mahesh asked Manan where he lived. Next. Karina said to Akshay, how do you get up early morning? So, dear friend, first of all, Karina asked Akshay, what is the conjunction? How. So, we write here how, we remove do, you is Akshay, Akshay means he, how he got up early morning. That is the sentence. Okay, understood? Now, next. Rakesh said to me, when did you go to the market? So you can see that here I use did. So what is the V3 form of go? Go, went, gone. So Rakesh asked me when we removed it. You means me, me means I. When I had gone to the market. Okay, clear? Now next. The teacher said to the principal where are the students? Where are the students? So you can see that here to be form is given. So first of all, the teacher asked the principal where are the students, where the students were. Okay. Now next, Roshan said to Roshni, why are you singing a song in your room? Why are you singing a song in your room? So Roshan asked Roshni, why are you? So we can write you are. You means Roshni. Roshni means she. What is Amizar? Was where? She was. Why she was singing a song in your. See her. Okay, dear friends, so I hope that all of you understand very well. Okay, then you can write this in your notebook. So here we have completed interrogative sentence of direct, indirect. After that we are going to learn imperative sentence, let and let's. Okay.